Hi, how are you? I'm Melissa and welcome to my channel. Hope you're doing okay. And in today's video, I'm going to show you basically what I do for work makeup, when I was going to school makeup, chores makeup, not like in-house chores, like errands makeup, basically what I do every day, my simple go-to foolproof makeup look that I'm hoping, since it works for me, it'll work for you too. Let's get started. So throughout the video, I'll be naming the products I'm using, but I'll also just like list everything in the description box. If my voice sounds funny, I haven't been feeling so good. I was sick last week. I'm still kind of recovering, but I'm okay. So if you're like me, whenever you watch a video, you just want to skip through the sections to the part that you're mostly interested in. So I'll do the same. Maybe you're more interested in the base, you're interested in the foundation or just the eye makeup. It's perfectly fine. I don't watch every full video that I watch on YouTube, so I understand. I will forgive you if you just skip through the sections. So right in the beginning, base, when I wash my face and everything, I use this E45 cream. It's a lotion. It's more like dermatology based. I just find it better for my skin. I don't put oils or any of that. My skin's already oily, so I just find that this is what works for me, just lotion. And that's the base done. When it comes to the makeup, I use the Fenty True Matte Pro, this stuff, yeah, descriptions in the box, you see it, but this is what I use for my base. And yeah, I don't put too much just because it's a base. I'm not trying to make my whole body matte, even though that'll be kind of cool, but yeah, it's just a base. And then once I have it, I just use my fingers to spread it, just get it all up in there. I know someone's looking right at my lace, I know, but we will get to that and we will fix it. It is not a problem. We move on and we find solutions, and we will find a solution later, so it's fine. So I let that just like pat it down, let it dry a little bit. Wish I had a fan, but yeah, just let it dry a little bit. And then once that is done, I always go for Fenty. I don't know why, it's expensive, I know, but it works and I'm okay with that. I use the foundation number 485. I don't put too much because, as I said, this is just like what I do for work, and sometimes I work morning shifts, so I'm waking up at like 5:15 and I need to catch my bus, and so I don't have enough time to like do full face full on foundation. Just a little goes a long way, basically. Spit that out. I don't put it all over like here. I usually focus the foundation just like on the outsides, like parts of my face, like the borderline. That's where I focus. There. And then I just put like a little bit for my nose as well. There. There. It's like already using the foundation to contour, even though I still will go in and contour later. Okay, foundation done. Then concealer, it's the 445. Again, not too much of a hassle. Few dots here, here. Few dots here, here. Line. Little concealer mustache. Forehead. Little extra dots. You see, I use one dip for the whole face, just to show you like I'm not using that much product, because a little will go a long way. And if you're gonna have this makeup for like the whole day, you don't really want to like look cakey, because sometimes at work I might not even be able to take a break, and if I can't take a break, that definitely means I don't have time to like go and touch up my makeup. And my face is oily, so that probably means the most I would do is like walk around with a tissue paper and just kind of dab my face here and there. But yeah, just blend it. I have tried using like beauty blenders and stuff, but I kind of noticed that it soaks up the product. Maybe it was just the beauty blender that I used. So I found that brushes work better for me. If you do decide to, incorporate this makeup routine, feel free to use whatever you want. You can use a brush, a beauty blender, an egg. I really don't care what you use as long as it works for you. Okay, so yeah, concealer, and then Fenty again. If you guys know any other better brands, let me know, buy them for me. Yeah, so I just use this contour stick, number Espresso 05, nose, and that's all I use it for. I don't do the contour here. Sometimes I do, but I'm just kind of showing you what I do when I'm in a hurry. So blend, 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 blend. Nose done. Then moving on to the eyes part. I don't bake. You will notice that I don't bake because I told you I feel like baking works best when you are doing just heavy makeup, like lots of foundation, full face foundation. Yeah, so my eyebrows next. I just use like a brown pencil, going for the look to show that I do have eyebrows, but I still need to shape them. And then I go in with like a brow mascara, brow brush, brow whatever, and I use that to then kind of complete the shape and blend in the eyebrow liner that I just used. Then just that, make sure they're even, because sometimes I shape too much and then this one I make it puffy, and that definitely looks weird, so we don't want that. Yeah, should be okay. No one's really focusing on eyebrows, unless you are, then don't. Yeah, I don't use any eyeshadow or anything, but then at this point I go in with my powder. Surprise, it's Fenty, I know. Just go in and I just focus the powder here. Yeah, so this is it. And then I go in with my eyeliner. This one is the NYX Professional Makeup Epic Ink Liner. It's in the description box. And I just go with the most basic winged eyeliner. I need to focus on that. I'm not going to talk, I need to focus. Because if I mess this up, then the whole look is messed up. Yeah, that. And then mascara. I use two mascaras. First I use the Essence Another Volume Mascara, Just Better, and then I use the L'Oreal Paris Telescope Lift. TikTok made me buy it. I will not even be ashamed to admit that, because it did, and I did, and I regret nothing. Yeah. Then eyeliner, do the eyeliner, the mascara face. I will say about the L'Oreal Paris mascara, the side part that's like a comb, I feel like really does make a big difference. For some people it might not. Then again, some people have like 10 centimeter eyelashes and I'm jealous, and those people, I hope they have a wonderful day. Yeah, so just a few extra coats. I want to be able to blink and you feel it from the other end of the room. and then I do the lower lashes, and then I take my contour stick or whatever dark shade I have, and I just like rub it on a brush so that I can fix my hair. And then I just go over the lace. And the darker the shade, the darker the shade, the better it is, because the lace, as you saw, is very bright. And so even if you think like, no, this contour stick or powder is too dark, it's okay, because it kind of balances off, and then it starts to look a bit more natural, because it's not making it dark, it's kind of blending together, and then it's going to be the shade like of your face, of your scalp. Just go over, get the middle. I'm almost done. It's just I focus on my hair sometimes. My lips, actually I don't line my lips because I'm going to be talking the whole day at work. I'm talking to customers, I'm doing stuff, and I don't have time to be having like cracked lipstick. And so I just used this Carmex lip balm. For me, it's the best lip balm. If this was a sponsored ad, that would be cool, but it's not. It's just really good. Sometimes I'll use like a little gloss. I'll use this. Sometimes I'll use this and then a gloss. But yeah, this works for me. And then I'll do my hair, and then I'll show you how I look on a regular day if you see me on the street. So yeah, see you in a bit. And here we are with the final look. Did my hair. I know I mentioned that usually this is like my go-to, and it is. You might be thinking, okay, if it's your go-to and you don't have that much time, how do you do your hair? First of all, what I do is, for example, if I have morning shift or I need to wake up early the next day, the hair is pre-curled, like it's prepared. All I have to do is put it on and blend. That's literally all I have to do, because if I know my schedule the day before, and so I can prepare myself the day before, basically. But yeah, this is how I look on a daily basis. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, any suggestions, anything, in the comments, you know what to do. And if you found it helpful, let me know as well. I look forward to growing this channel with you guys, learning more new techniques with you guys, and just seeing where this goes. So once again, thank you, and see you in the next video. Bye.